Hi, my name is Mary Dignan-Hill, and I'm excited to show you my newest listing at 7106 Murietta in Van Nuys, California. This property is a gardener's dream. The front yard has been converted into an edible organic garden, complete with fruit trees, a grape arbor, and raised vegetable beds. This 1950s home is 1,200 square feet and features 3 beds, 2 baths, and ample living space. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances and a farmhouse sink. This ensuite bedroom provides direct access to the backyard. And the backyard features a covered patio, a 60-year-old lemon tree, and an outdoor wood-burning fireplace. If you're interested in a private viewing, give me a call. Thanks for watching.